Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss out, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Price Tag by Jessie J. Now, in order to play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, A minor, D minor, and B flat major. If you know how to play those 4 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord we're going to learn is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord we're going to learn to play is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is D minor. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. And our last chord is going to be B flat major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song, and that progression is going to be F major for 4 beats, A minor for 4 beats, D minor for 4 beats, and B flat major for 4 beats. Let's play through that progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, down, tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down, 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 tap, down. And now let's apply that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Price Tag. Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the sale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious, acting so mysterious? Got your shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left and everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're paying with love tonight. It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about the, yeah, the bling, the bling. Wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down to my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Price Tag by Jessie J. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.